Make puree for medium tomatoes at first. Add 4 tablespoons oil in a pan. Now add 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 2 medium chopped onions. Saute it and add 2 small chopped chilies. Add 2 spoons of chili sauce and boil 200 grams chicken. Add boiled potatoes and 1 glass of water. Wait until all water disappears. Add 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon black pepper, 1 spoon oregano. Give it a good mix and add tomato puree which we have made earlier. Transfer it into a big pan and add boiled spaghetti in it. Mix it and add a cup of tomato ketchup. If you want to make it extra spicy, so add 1 spoon ghee, a spoon of red chili and a spoon of chaat masala, and then add spaghetti in it. Now serve and enjoy it.